Hey guys, what is up? Another video? We're just doing vlogs now. Um, I was supposed to do a live and did not work out that great. So today I'm supposed to have the day off because it's a weekend. And what ended up happening is my weekend was turned. Well, I was able to do some things during the weekend. What did I do Saturday? Saturday, I got that. I was able to set that up. Did a few lives. Came to the shop. Sunday. Did I do a live Sunday? Saturday? Yikes. I don't even remember what happened Saturday. It was just a blur. Anyways, other than Saturday, let's see. Sunday, I did the live. I was able to be more productive. I was able to give you guys some more videos. And all that was great. All that was great. Now, um, the focus that I want to focus on is the fact that the focus I don't know. I'm just winging it right now. It's nighttime. I'm in the shop. I was about to do it live, and then I realized it's gonna be late. So who knows? I'm gonna save for tomorrow because I gotta bring the kids to school tomorrow. So it is what it is. Kids are back to school, which is good. That's good. But that means I gotta wake up extra early. So because of that, kind of hard to do certain things. Today, my day was pretty much kidnapped by the kids. I ended up going over to. Oh, I remember what happened. Sunday, I did the lawn. I did the lawn because I did the lawn. Had to get things prepped because I was gonna go out with the kids outside, in the backyard. And what ended up happening was, hold on. Yeah. So what ended up happening was, I didn't get a chance to go out with the kids. So I said today, which is Monday, Labor Day, I was gonna do, hang out and stuff like that. So I ended up doing it. But that meant I didn't have time. And then on top of that, I had to get like school supplies. So because of school supplies, had to go out and basically get school supplies and stuff like that. So they didn't really get a chance to do much. So let me sit down real quick. Yeah, so I didn't really get a chance to do much. I mostly focused on um trying to give you guys videos. I threw out a video today, so basically a recap of what I did before. Other than that, like sporting my shirt, right? So I'm thinking about doing some more stuff that just says Levi Apparel. So as I'm doing the videos, it'll be what I'm talking about. And it'll be like Levi Apparel on the top, like kind of like this. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I was talking about space, and I ended up making the shirt, and I really liked this, so I wore it. So yeah, um, and then I made this hat. I think you guys saw this hat from the previous video. So yeah, so it was really interesting. I've never really worn my own merch. I ended up going to like Walmart, and I didn't even know I had my merch on. People were just looking around. They're just looking at me like, "What brand is that? I wonder what brand that is." Wow, I like the shirt. Uh, I could tell they're looking, but like I couldn't really interact with them because I was so focused on like getting stuff for school set and done for the kids and stuff. So yeah, it is what it is. Uh, yeah. So that's basically what's been going on. Other than that, like I'm waiting for this job to get redone. So that's why I have this up in case you're wondering why is that still up. So that's why that's up. Other than that, I'm just hanging out. Um, Waiting for my stuff to get here. So that's pretty much it. I had an order. I think I told you guys already. I had an order, and the order that I had basically, um, um, I'm still waiting for the guy to come up with the design. even though I can come up with it myself, but that's an extra fee. They don't want to pay that. Other than that, I have this other design. I'm waiting for the check to come in because my new thing now is I'm not doing anything until I get the money, because what I've been doing is like I've been subsidizing the shop's um, funding with my own funding, and that's like mixing money together, and I'm not supposed to be doing that. So I wait until the shop funding gets here for equipment and stuff like that and products, then I just order it. And from ordering it, I'm able to not use my own money. You know what I'm saying? But use the customer's money to purchase the stuff, get it done. And then whatever residual is left over, it goes over to the shop. Obviously, you see me buying equipment. That I bought it with my own money, and that's because I was waiting too long. And I'm like, you know what? And plus, I have somebody else that wanted something done. So, yeah, technically, that's the shop's money. Again, they already prepaid. I was waiting for it to get done, so then I just added like I think $20 onto it, and I purchased it, and that was it. So yeah, so guys, use the customer's money to do your purchase. Don't try to dip in, unless you. There's this thing I've been trying to do, which is basically this, right? I want to go and get like a store credit card, something like that, so I can use. And when I use it, it's going to be primarily for the shop. So that way I just make purchases. And when the money comes in for the customer, I just pay it off. And that's basically what I want to do. But other than that, sublimation machine was supposed to work on it. Didn't work on it. Both of them, the big one and the small one, are acting up. I have this one as my backup with the HP 5225. That's gonna be the new way that I'm gonna do mugs and stuff, and then that means I don't need to worry about sublimated mugs. I can just order any type of mugs. So yeah, so that's what we got going on. All right, guys. Um, just want to give you an update, right? Shop vlog or whatever you want to call it. It is what it is, right? And then I think I'm gonna throw you some more videos about me doing shirts, but watch for the videos I got coming up. The reclip of the lives and stuff. And there I focus on talking about current events and then doing a shirt for it. Like and subscribe, Levi Bell.